Here are 5 things you didn't know about Marco van Basten's legendary Euro 88 volley that shocked the world. First, the ball was completely waterlogged from heavy rain, making it twice as heavy as normal and nearly impossible to control. Second, mathematicians later calculated that scoring from his 18-yard angle had only a 0.1% success rate. Third, slow motion replays revealed something incredible. The ball never touched the ground for 3.2 seconds, floating through the air like it defied physics. Fourth, Soviet goalkeeper Rinat Dasayev didn't even attempt a save because the shot seemed so impossible from that angle. He just stood there watching in disbelief. But here's the most mind-blowing part. Van Basten admitted years later he was actually trying to cross the ball to a teammate and completely mishit it. The greatest goal in European Championship history was a total accident that somehow found the top corner perfectly. Pure luck disguised as genius.